Preparing for a move or a home renovation can quickly become overwhelming, especially when clutter has built up over time. Garages often hold years' worth of items, tools, furniture, boxes, and forgotten belongings that make planning and organization difficult. For homeowners in Austin, Garage Cleanouts provide a practical first step toward a smoother, less stressful transition before moving or renovating. Clearing space to see what you're working with. One of the biggest challenges before a move or renovation is not knowing exactly what you have. A cluttered garage hides items behind stacks of boxes and unused equipment. Garage Cleanouts help Austin homeowners clear everything out, creating a clean slate. Once the garage is organized or emptied, it becomes much easier to assess what should be kept, donated, or removed before the next phase begins. Reducing the amount of items that need to be moved. Moving costs and effort often increase with the number of items involved. Many homeowners don't realize how much unnecessary clutter they've accumulated until they begin packing. By scheduling a garage cleanout in Austin, homeowners can remove items they no longer need before packing begins. This reduces the volume of belongings that must be moved, making the process faster and more manageable. Creating a staging area for renovation projects. Renovations often require temporary storage for furniture, tools, and materials. A cluttered garage leaves little room for staging or organizing these items. Garage Cleanouts give Austin homeowners the space needed to safely store renovation supplies or temporarily relocate household items. Having a clear, organized garage supports smoother workflows during remodeling projects. Improving safety during moves and renovations. Cluttered garages can be hazardous, especially when heavy lifting, construction materials, or frequent foot traffic are involved. Tripping hazards and unstable stacks increase the risk of injury. Garage Cleanouts help Austin homeowners create safer environments before work begins. Clear pathways and open floor space reduce accidents and make preparation more efficient. Helping homeowners stay organized under pressure. Moves and renovations come with tight timelines and many decisions. Organization plays a key role in keeping stress levels manageable. With a clean garage, Austin homeowners gain a centralized space for sorting, labeling, and staging items. This organization makes it easier to track belongings and maintain control throughout the process. Preventing delays and last-minute scrambling. Last-minute clutter often causes delays during moves or renovations. Items that should have been cleared earlier can slow progress and create unnecessary stress. Garage Cleanouts help Austin homeowners avoid these issues by addressing clutter up front. Removing unwanted items early keeps the timeline on track and prevents rushed decisions later. Making renovation cleanup easier. Renovations generate debris and discarded materials. Without available space, cleanup can quickly become chaotic. An organized garage provides Austin homeowners with a place to temporarily store renovation waste or tools until removal. This keeps the home cleaner and more livable during the project. Supporting a fresh start after the project. Moves and renovations often mark a new chapter. Starting that chapter with clutter already removed makes the transition more rewarding. Garage Cleanouts help Austin homeowners begin their new space with intention. Whether moving to a new home or enjoying a freshly renovated one, a clean garage supports long-term organization and comfort. Reducing stress during major transitions. Both moving and renovating are among the most stressful life events. Clutter adds unnecessary pressure to an already demanding process. For homeowners in Austin, Garage Cleanouts simplify preparation and reduce overwhelm. By clearing space, improving organization, and eliminating unwanted items early, homeowners can focus on the exciting aspects of their move or renovation, confident that they're starting with a clean, organized foundation.